What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new edition of Pop Drunk. I'm Ed.
I'm Heather.
And, you know, the routine. Oh, we have Jigsaw.
Oh, yeah, we have Jigsaw.
We have Jigsaw.
Because she wouldn't shut up before, so I was like, we'll start with her.
So Jigsaw has joined us, and we thank each and every one of you for joining us. You guys are all super awesome. I say it every week. I'm going to have to get a t-shirt that says super awesome on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so guys, you know, we haven't had as many videos. Life is just nuts right now. Life's getting in the way. But we're here. We're going to open some boxes. We're going to have a good time.
But you know, because we're getting back to normal.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So, which is good. So we apologize for, you know, the not the amount of videos production-wise, but...
My life actually has become abnormal because... like fourth wall and whatnot. I worked. It's Saturday. That's the day we're filming this, and
correct.
And I worked today. And for all you folks out there that work on the weekends, my hat is off to you. 1 out of 4 stars. Do not recommend. But I actually had to work today.
This is the first Saturday you've had to work in a long time.
I only work a couple a year, and just, you know, today happened to be one of those days.
Yeah.
So
yay, retail.
And I work in the retail world, so
Monday through Friday.
Well, that's what I normally do.
I know, but you know.
But I am ready to drink the
day away. Yeah.
That's right, guys. Well, hey, thank you so much for checking us out here on YouTube. Please make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, but also, and this is important. Listen closely. I don't think we've ever said this before, so we need to say it and make it count. If you're not checking us out on Instagram, please make sure that you go find us on Instagram, and you can find us on Instagram at
pop_drunk_.
That's right.
Never told anybody that ever. Ever.
You know, somebody ribbed me one time. It was a while ago. It was several months and months ago.
Yeah.
Somebody was like, dude, do you realize you dropped your Instagram handle like 24 times in one video? And I went, that sounds about right.
I know. People are like making like subcategories to like they can take shots when I think it's like giggity, super awesome. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a list.
All right, guys. So, hey, we got a bunch of stuff. We got some mail calls. And today, mystery box-wise, is going to be a twofer. And I didn't know that it was going to be, and I'll explain here in a bit.
Okay.
I didn't know it was going to be a twofer. And then some things showed up in the mail that I didn't think I was going to get. And they showed up as a twofer. So, good stuff.
Yes.
Hope everybody's having a great weekend,
yes.
A great week, all that stuff. Galen and Preston sent us that Mothman beer that we drank a couple episodes ago.
I have more hope for this one because the other one was like a black IPA.
Yeah.
That just sounds thick and gross. But this,
giggity.
This is a pale ale.
So they also sent us from the same brewing company,
yes.
Greenbrier Valley Brewing out there in West Virginia. And sent us the Wild Trail Pale Ale, and it has a Bigfoot on the can. For those of you that don't know, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. You're wonderful and you're beautiful. But we're big fans of cryptozoology, so she made sure she sent us the Mothman beer and now the Bigfoot beer, essentially. So,
do you tap the top?
I don't ever tap the top.
Oh.
No.
Does anybody else tap the top? I think that's like one of those urban legends that you like tap the top and it like prevents it from explosion.
Mine didn't explode, and
what did I say? I said urban myths, as in like that's just what you were taught.
All right. Well, I'm gonna taste this, and hopefully I like it.
It's better than the other one.
No.
What?
No, I prefer the Mothman. The Mothman had a little grapefruitiness to it. This is like biting into a grapefruit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Why? See, I'm not a grapefruit lover.
I like grapefruit. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not a beer connoisseur. You know, I'm a Bud Light guy. Like, that's just what I do.
Yeah. Well, it's 5.7% alcohol, so.
That's pretty good. All right, guys. So, hey, we got some mail calls. We're going to get to those first, and one of them I'm super excited for. The first thing here, you know what? I'm just gonna open it.
Okay.
This is from Bento the Noob. I know I follow you on Instagram. It's hard to see on there. So hopefully there is a letter. Oh, Berto the Noob. We're gonna show the sticker. We'll go ahead and show the holograph sticker. Berto the Noob.
He's so shiny.
Hello, Heather and Ed.
Woo! 1-0.
Thank you for being a supporter of my channel, and you should go check them out. I'll link them below. I am a fan. I watch it all the time. I'm just terrible with names. And helping me on my road to 100 subs. If you're not subbed to Berto the Noob, make sure you go sub to him right now. Like I said, I'll put a link below.
Peer pressure.
I really appreciate you sharing my Instagram posts, because he posts cool stuff on Instagram. As a token of my appreciation, I've included... Oh, wait a minute.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Okay, so the mail came, and I was like, it felt weird and heavy.
All right,
So
I'm not going to say what it is yet. I included a blank that I just pulled from a 90s Volume 2 Zobi box.
What?
Because I know Heather is a big fan of the franchise.
That's me. Oh, spoiler. I bet I know what it is.
And also a functional piece of the Pacific Northwest. Here is your very own handy dandy buck knife. Hold up. Let's see this. He got us a knife. Our very own buck knife.
That's like a legitimate, like...
That's super awesome. Thank you, Robert, a.k.a. Berto the Noob, on Instagram and YouTube. But the thing that was also included in here was a pink Power Ranger pin from Zobi. I haven't bought anything, any of the boxes from... Gosh. I haven't bought anything from Zobi. Mainly because they do like autograph stuff, and we've already established I don't collect autograph stuff.
Awesome, though.
So.
It's limited to 100, so yay, I'm 100.
Well, you're 1 in a million, honey.
Thank you so much. It definitely is going to go in the collection. The collection is ever growing.
That's right. And we have a knife. We have a new knife. Because this one sucks now. It needs sharpened.
Yeah, because it's covered in like tape spewage.
Tape?
Bro, and your sticker, I've been fighting with this for the last 5 minutes, like, so I might have to get back. See, I just had to.
Oh, there it is.
All
right. He gets to go on your side because he sent you a pink Power Ranger?
Good. Yeah. I mean, yeah. All right, we're gonna see.
All right.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, the next up from Unboxing Treasures. If you haven't checked out Unboxing Treasures, make sure you go find them.
This is kitty number 2.
This is Gizmo.
Gizmo.
And Gizmo wants you to go check out Unboxing Treasures on Instagram and YouTube as well. He hit me up. He said, hey, I want to send you something. I have no idea what's in here at all. And we're going to use Berto the Noob's buck knife.
Yes. So, of course, when, we get the Chrono Toys, when we get, the normal mystery boxes and stuff in the mail, it's just like, oh, okay, here's for, the next episode and stuff. But I get super excited when we get stuff. I'm just like, oh, I don't know who this is from. This is like something new.
All right. Well, we've got a couple Lucky Treasures hats.
And they're fitted.
Fitted.
Oh, shit.
All right. Well, hold on. Oh, I got
the bill.
I got the little thing here. How can I? All right. Well, I don't wear a hat forward, and so I'm gonna rock this the rest of the night. But I can't. My face. So my face is fat, right? And it's too round. So I can't do it forward. I gotta go like Kevin James. Backwards hat. So there's other stuff in here too. All right, get that box out of the way real quick. We've got an Unboxing Treasures little leprechaun pin. Look at that guy right there. And we also have, we love. Oh, it's a magnet.
Yeah.
There's a magnet. There's an Unboxing Treasures magnet.
Yes, our fridge is quite covered in some ridiculous stuff.
This is solid. So this is like a business card, but it feels like a hotel key.
Oh yeah.
Unboxing Treasures. He's got a website here, and I'll make sure I put that down there. I don't know how well it's going to come off with the light. I don't even know if it'll focus. But unboxingtreasures.com, Unboxing Treasures on YouTube, on Instagram, Unboxing Goodies on Twitter, and Facebook/groups/Unboxing Treasures. So thank you so much, Unboxing Treasures.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much. Awesome. We're gonna put those over there.
See, I'm not a hat wearer. I just never was, but I know you all the time. You're like, dude, you should totally wear hats.
Yeah, I tell her all the time you should totally wear a hat.
But see, I have to like, born and raised in like into Cincinnati. You gotta like tilt it a little bit to the side.
All right, Gizmo. Hey, I don't have any lotion on me this time, so I'm gonna need you to move.
Are you just gonna go? You just want to show me? Oh!
She almost knocked over booze.
She almost party fouled. All right, here. You want to sit right there?
I'm sorry, guys. I got one more mail call, and then we're gonna get to the good stuff. Well, not that this isn't good stuff. This is all good stuff. But we're gonna get to what brought you, and this is a huge box. It is
giggity.
It is so massive.
Giggity.
That I should have probably opened it prior to even getting down here.
Son of a...
But I've never been more excited for a 10-inch pop in my life. I'm not going to cut you. I promise I won't cut you.
Right, look, we got witnesses.
Berto the noob. His knife is sharp. All right, let's get all this stuff out of the way here. You can't see me. All right, I'm gonna have to put this back on the floor. Let's just be real.
So, side note, the John Cena so that's like my Tourette's.
And like, I keep hitting the light. It's just too much.
Shimmy and stuff. But yeah, when I get around certain people or I'm out and about, I just like bust out in the John Cena and I get yelled at. But you know, it is what it is.
There we go.
All right.
I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to.
Oh, I can read.
There's two in the box, so I'm only grabbing one. I had to buy two. Because somebody said, "Hey, man, I might be at work. I might not be able to grab one. So if you could grab me one, I'll pay you back." And I said, "All right, cool." Well, I hit him up. I said, "Hey, bro, I got a couple." And he says, "So did I." I said, "All right, well, I guess I have two now."
But I'm sure we know somebody, you know.
Oh no, I'm going out of box on one of these. I have to. This is the 10-inch Black Hood Skeletor Funko Shop exclusive. Sold out. Took a little while to sell out, but it absolutely did. And I haven't even got a chance to really peep it yet.
I mean, yeah, it looks like
it's got to come out of the box.
Skeletor.
It's got to come out of the box. My top grail, like my number one right now, isn't an ad icon. It is my Black Hood Skeletor from San Diego Comic-Con.
So he loves it so much.
I love it so much. Sometimes I just grab it off the shelf and look at it.
Yeah.
So awesome, Black Hood Skeletor. I'm a big fan. And now I'm going to explain why today is a twofer.
Okay.
Why is today a twofer?
The air's on.
That is not good. That's just not good.
I'll finish mine.
All right, well, you finish mine too.
Oh, all right. Woo, 11%.
So sometimes I have been known to get a little too excited. Right?
Can I say giggity?
There you go.
Giggity.
So a company put out some mystery boxes, and I'll put their name down here in a minute when I mention them. I literally clicked on the link, and I made 2 orders. I bought 2.
Okay.
And then I was like, there's still some left. I'm going to buy 2 more. So I bought 4. Well, all of a sudden, I got emails. And those emails were like, your order has been canceled. Your order has been refunded. And I'm like, what? Why? I have the money. I don't understand. So me, being as excited as I was, did not read the full terms and conditions of the order placement. And I will take the heat on that one. That one is totally on me, and I apologize for jumping the gun a little bit. But it said you can order as many as you want, but only one per order. So I got two. I made 2 orders of 2, and I got cancellation emails that came through, and I was like, oh well, I don't know, whatever. So I thought they canceled my entire orders.
Gotcha.
But they didn't. They only canceled half of each order, but I didn't know they did that, so I was not expecting these to show up.
And here we are.
And here we are. But they did show up. So Spastic Pops, Spastic Collectibles, go check them out. Yep. SpasticCollectibles.com and on Instagram.
Yes, we have definitely ordered from them before.
We have their sticker on somewhere.
It's been a little while though.
All right, so I have 2. I don't know how many are on here. Like in here, I believe there's 2 per. I'm gonna guess. We're gonna open these.
I don't know.
No, I don't know. Maybe 4. I don't know. But anyway, guys, we're gonna play Mystery Box. But before we play Mystery Box, we got a set of rules, and we got one regulation. Regulation numero uno, the only regulation. We don't talk about value. We like pops, we collect pops, whether it's, you know, $100, $1, $1 million. Well, if it was $1 million, it'd be a little different. But we collect pops because pops are cool. There are a billion channels out there that talk about value. We just not happen to be one of them. So, yeah, so we're going to open pops because we like pops. But we're also going to open mystery boxes. Yeah. You can't just open mystery boxes without punishments, right? You got to have some kind of punishment.
Yeah.
So, we got a set of rules. Heather, give them the rules.
So, if you would like to play along and of legal age, wherever the hell you're at, you have to take a shot. If we pull something that we already have, if it's damaged, or if it's anime.
That damn Vegeta. Or what do you call them? Pikachus? Pokachus?
Pokachus and Pikamons.
Pikamons. All right, guys. Hey, and if you collect anime, all thumbs up to you. We do not, so we'll take a shot if we end up with anime. Yeah. For those of you that are longtime watchers, thank you. We appreciate you. You're super awesome. We are not doing Mystery Booze right now. We got to get through the month of June, which we're almost there. Mystery Booze will make a return in July, but we're helping Heather on a journey. So Heather has this new Amsterdam pink Whitney.
Because I ran out of my skinny girl stuff, so now, you know, this is pretty see-through, so.
Me, I had a bottle of Kraken and a bottle of Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey. I don't know where I put them. Like, I just don't know. And because I went to work and I just came home and I was just like, I'm ready to drink and film, I forgot to grab them. But I did find like this maybe 2 shots of salted caramel Crown,
which is really good.
If I have to take more than that, I'll just drink her disgusting Peak Whitney.
And it's Ed, so he's gonna have to take more than 2 shots. But yeah, I was expecting this to be amazing. It's not.
All right, so we are gonna let Heather.
All right, I'm tucking my pink Ranger.
Giggity.
Giggity.
All right, which one you want?
Gotta be difficult.
Gotta be difficult. All right. So I think these boxes were only like $20. Maybe they were 30. I don't remember. But let's see what we got in here.
Here, I'm gonna halfway use this one.
All right.
This one's difficult.
I don't even know. Like I said, I don't even know how many pops are in here. I don't know.
Ed just sees, hey, mystery box.
Oh, it's a 2-pack.
Oh.
It's a 2-pack.
Is it just a 2-pack?
Yeah, there's one 2-pack in here. Maybe that was the thing. Maybe it was like...
Figure it like shot out the side. Giggity.
I don't have a protector on mine.
Yeah, giggity.
I'm
on a roll.
So, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap. So, I'm trying to work on getting the bubble wrap off. Of course, we got a Spastic Collectibles, another sticker there. No, wait. No, it's not a 2-pack. There's multiple.
It's 2 pops.
But they were in one bubble wrap. That's what it was.
Yeah.
No protector.
No.
All right, so I'm going to grab the first one.
And we like protection.
Bam!
What the shit is that? Well, that looks pretty,
Hold on. This is from the Funko New York Comic Con limited edition cartoon hangover Bravest Warriors cat bug. Cat bug?
I don't know, but I need to Google this. Like, after the show, I need to... That looks like my life. Like, that looks so fun.
Created by Pendleton Ward. Cartoon hangover Frederator. Fred?
I don't know, but
It looks like anime.
It does,
but I don't think it is.
Yeah, because the thing, I mean, is it just a YouTube thing?
Catch Bravest Warriors on Cartoon Hangover exclusively on YouTube.
Yeah.
I don't think this is anime.
No, it just kind of, it looks like a goofy cat.
I'm not taking a shot.
Oh. But it's so cute. Now I must know.
And that's the cool part about collecting Pops, not worried about value either. You're like, oh, that's new. Let me try that.
Yeah, and let me Google that, and let me watch that.
Yeah. All right, there's one
Even
more
though
pop.
still Netflix still is like, hey, you should watch anime. I said, absolutely not. Stop it. Stop it.
Sean Ryan says you should watch anime too.
Well, you know what Sean Ryan could do.
Ship it down.
Hey, we don't have him.
No, we don't.
So this is Def Leppard.
Def Leppard.
This is Vivian Campbell.
No, I don't have any of the Def Leppard pops. I bet now listen, I like Def Leppard. All right, I do. I like Def Leppard. Pour some sugar on me. Photograph.
And we've seen Def Leppard 114 times.
Every time they come around, but the thing is I'm usually more into their opening band, and so we usually sneak out about 3 or 4 songs into the Def Leppard set.
Because also, Heather's impatient. I am not waiting in traffic. That happened one time for Motley Crue.
Oh, yeah.
We stayed till the end, it was Motley Crue. And, dude, we sat in traffic for like 2 hours. And I almost cried. And I'm like, never again. So we tap out early.
All right. So my last one from Spastic Pops and Spastic Collectibles. I don't feel a sticker on this one. Maybe it was one exclusive, one... common, and this was my exclusive, and that was your common.
Oh, okay, wrong.
BAM! Artemis Fowl. Artemis Fowl.
I've heard of Artemis Fowl. Oh yeah, because that's on like the Disney Channel.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's
Disney.
new.
I'm not gonna lie though. I'm pretty sure this head is the same head they used for Dan Aykroyd in Trading Places.
Wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty sure that is the exact same head. Well, I don't have to take a shot, so Spastic Pops, you're pretty all right. You're not making me take a shot, but you have one more pop in there.
No, it fell, so I gotta...
Cheated.
I saw blue, okay? So it's not anime.
Boba Fett.
But it's different.
Prototype from Star Wars.
Good, right?
Yeah, no, we don't have that. I don't know nothing about it. We've never seen Star Wars. I know who Boba Fett is, mostly because I have all the 10-inch pops of Boba Fett. But,
yeah. We're not oblivious to society. We know things. We just
didn't last week. Didn't we end up with Snow Trooper?
I feel like yeah.
Well, all right. Prototype, Boba Fett. That's pretty cool.
You know what? You know who used to be Prototype?
John Cena. That stupid mohawk. Look up John Cena as Prototype.
Yeah, just say like OVW John Cena.
All right, well,
awesome.
Spastic, we didn't take a shot on either one.
Yay! Yay for us! All the viewers are just like, boo! So it's okay.
But if you have those pops, you can go ahead and take a shot. Or if you have a Star Wars rule, you can take a shot as well.
Or if you're taking shots every time that we say super awesome,
because you're super
giggity,
awesome,
then you should take a shot.
The next one up, guys. Now, if you remember last episode, we were one box short on our
weekly challenges.
Our weekly challenger mystery boxes. So we had an odd number, but that was okay. That just means we have an odd number now.
Yes.
So last time you got the extra with the odd number, so I'm going to take the extra this time. So, guys, they're our favorite mystery box company. We say that every week. They don't give us a dime. I give them too many dimes.
Fact.
So, these are weekly Challenger mystery boxes from Chrono Toys, which you can check out on Instagram at chronotoys.official, or you can go online and buy your own mystery boxes from them every Monday at chronotoys.com. So, we've got one, and we've got two.
Alright, so I'm actually shipping some of my bruising, because you can't see it here, but my side is just, this is where all the alcohol is. I like to keep it near and dear. So, yeah, so hopefully everybody is feeling healthy and being loving towards your neighbor and all that good stuff.
That's right. I look good in a white hat, man. Maybe I start rocking a white hat, you know?
All right. Well, you got one now.
I got one now, and it fits, too. It fits. I'm all right with this.
See, I can add my pin. My two.
All right, guys. So we have 7 Chrono Toys mystery boxes. I don't remember why, because I was buying 8, but I think this week I only bought 6. But we have 7 now because we have 1 extra. Normally I'll let Heather pick. She picked on the last one. I'm gonna pick on this one.
Oh, but that was so long ago.
So I'm gonna go 1,
3,
2,
8, 12, 5, 16,
3, and I'm gonna grab one more because it's the odd man. I feel this one. All right. So
is this it?
That's it. That's it. That's all we got, you know.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit shorter video. It might be even more somber or sober video. I don't know. We just opened 4 pops and we didn't take a single shot. Oh, you don't want to go first?
Well, why would I?
Oh,
You had 4.
That's right. So I guess I'll go
hard.
first. Chrono Toys weekly Challenger mystery boxes.
Why is this air salon? Oh my god, dude.
Well, because so we're in the basement, right? But our Nest thermostat is upstairs. So upstairs is probably a lot warmer than it is down here. That's why I love being down here.
And that's another reason I'm just like, yeah, you're fine downstairs. I'm gonna stay upstairs.
All right, guys. Weekly Challenger mystery boxes, Chrono Toys. For those of you who don't know how they work, they put out a plethora of 500 mystery boxes every Monday. Single pop mystery boxes for $10.99. 400 are common, 100 or 95 of them are exclusives, and there are 5 chances at big hits, which you very rarely hit. I think we did once or twice.
But they were big hits.
They were pretty all right. All right, so first up, bam! Well, it is Rock Lee. I don't know where this is exclusive to in the States, but it does have the overseas special edition sticker. Heather is making fun of me.
Naruto.
Did you bring me a shot glass?
Yeah, who do you want?
I don't care.
Give me a golden girl.
Blanche.
Of course you would say Blanche. You would.
Well, because she's the promiscuous one. I'd take a run at Blanche.
Well, not now.
Not now. Yeah, no.
I'll stick with Sophia. Oh, and I got a Chia Pet, and the Chia Pet is a rose, and she has sprouted very nicely right now.
I will put that right here. All right, we'll put Rose up.
It's only been a week, and she's.
Well, I thought there was 2 shots in here. There's definitely not 2 shots in here.
No.
So.
That's a shot and a swig.
Shot and a swig. All right, Rock Lee from Naruto Shippuden. I still don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. All right. Oh, first shot of the day.
See,
Oh.
It's so hot right now, but when it gets to be fall time, you take that. You take some apple cider.
Oh, yeah, salted.
Cinnamon.
Oh, yeah.
Warm it up in the mug. Ooh.
I'm going to drink my Smirnoff Red, White, and Berry. Smirnoff, send me free stuff. Oh, yeah,
Move your damn anime.
Move my damn anime. All right, so Heather is going to pull out our first Vegeta of the evening. That does sound dirty, doesn't it?
Yeah. Pull out the Vegeta. So hey, post below if you've gotten out in society and done stuff. Today.
Oh, you did, yeah.
Today I went to the zoo. Yay.
So while I'm at work, just slaving away to be able to afford this wonderful house over a roof over our heads.
And this plethora of pops.
Heather is just parading around at the zoo.
That's right. For free.
Oh, that's right.
Because I know people.
Hey, it pays to know people.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Shout out to the mother.
I know your mother. I didn't get to go for free.
Oh, well, you know. Retail.
Bam!
Son of a... Hey, but we ain't got it.
We don't have it. It's not damaged, but it's still anime.
Yeah, that's a Pokemon.
That's a Pikachu.
Pikachu. It's a Poka. It's a Ratatata.
Ratatata? Ratatata? I don't know Ratatata. I played Pokemon Go for like a week when it first launched, and then I got bored.
But the thing is, though, I used to watch Pokemon when it was on TV because Heather didn't have cable, so it was on channel like 19, so it was on Fox.
All right.
But yeah, where's my Let's see. So I know like the Bulbasaur and
those exist. Yeah.
But is there a Jigglypuff?
Is Jigglypuff a Pokemon?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know. I don't know if there's a Jigglypuff. Comment below if there's a Jigglypuff.
Is there a Jigglypuff? Like, Pop. I know there's a Jigglypuff, like, Jigglypuff. But, so those are, you know, the ones that I really like main characters, of course.
Alright.
So.
No.
You know what? See, I'm such a good person.
Oh, you didn't take a shot.
I'm such a good person, because you know people are yelling right now. Like, what's Ed doing? This is your fault.
I'm just ready to drink. I don't know what to tell you. Drink your pink Whitney.
God. I know.
Pink Whitney.
Y'all
remember the TV show Whitney? I liked that show. That was a good show.
She is still a comedian.
Yes. Whitney Cummings?
Yes.
Whitney
Giggity,
Cummings.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
All right. Take your shot.
Sorry. I smell it, and it's just so...
What is it? I know it's like vodka.
What is that? Vodka?
What is that? Velvet?
It's pink lemonade flavored vodka.
Oh, okay. So it is vodka. It's just a little different.
Yeah.
All
right. It's okay. It's okay. The next time, when I am drinking, I'm just going to buy all Malibus. I'm just going to walk around with a bottle of Malibu.
Just a handle of Malibu. Yeah. Do they make a handle, Malibu and a handle?
We saw it.
We did. That's right.
It. That may be somebody's birthday present.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
So, like, you know when you take a shot... Remember back in the day when we would go to the club?
Yeah.
Like, you know, after wrestling shows and stuff?
Yeah.
And everybody's like, oh, a round of whatever. And you're just like, oh, that's going to be so bad, but they bought me a free shot.
Well,
so,
yeah, absolutely.
You know, courtesy, right?
Yeah.
And then you just had to suck it up, and you're just like, oh, that's so horrible. And then you're just like, I need a beer. I need a beer.
You know, I didn't mind most shots. But there was a few. Those who are familiar with TNA Abyss from TNA, big jacked up monster Abyss, he drinks exactly what you would think he would drink.
Yeah.
And that is Jägermeister by the glass. And I'm literally not kidding. I have watched this man be like, hey, do you want a shot? Yeah, man, I'll take a shot.
Yeah.
And he'll be like, shot of Jäg and give me a glass. What? And he would sit there with a glass of Jägermeister. Not a cup, I mean a glass, and he would just drink that Jäg, and I'd have to choke back that shot. Yeah, because I don't like Jäg.
Yeah, I can't do Jäg and redheaded sluts, which I think is Jäg and something else.
I've had a lot of redheaded sluts, but
that's not a giggity because that's just fact.
And the other one is Jimmy Wayne Yang loves tequila.
Yes.
But he'll make you take a shot of tequila and eat an orange. And he told me Eddie Guerrero, God rest his soul, Eddie Guerrero told him that told him how to do that. So, all right, I got another pop here. I feel a sticker, I think. Yeah, it's definitely a sticker. Watcha!
Watcha?
Lamar Jackson.
He said, What's your story with Lamar Jackson?
Listen, man. Lamar Jackson
Whoa.
is a good quarterback. I will not take anything away from Lamar Jackson. But I don't know. He just irritates me. Maybe it's because I'm not a Ravens fan, but Heather's a Bengals fan, so you know she doesn't like Lamar Jackson. I don't know. Like, I just don't like him. I don't know why I don't like him. I just don't like him. I can do that, right? You can just not like people because of that.
Right.
But he's a hell of a quarterback. He's a fantastic quarterback. I don't like the Ravens.
That's why I don't like him.
It's kind of like for you. It's like Aaron Rodgers.
Right.
Is a just amazing Hall of Fame quarterback.
There's no denying that.
But I hate him.
Yes, because
he plays for the Packers.
He's in the division.
Yes.
You know. I get it. I get it.
All right. Well, I don't have to take a shot.
Oh, hello.
So, because I don't have Lamar, he is not damaged, and he is not anime, and he's just a quarterback I don't like. There are other. I hate Jay Cutler. Oh my God! Don't even get me started on Jay Cutler. And he was the Bears quarterback, so I don't like Jay Cutler.
Jay Cutler even around?
No.
I was gonna say, wasn't it like
he
a
went
year
to,
or two ago?
He went to like Miami. He retired, then went to Miami. I don't know what he's doing now.
You know what the thing is though? Like this year though, for football, because it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
All of it.
It's gonna happen.
I am not a Tom Brady fan.
I'm not. I don't like Tom Brady either.
A Patriots fan, but I'm excited to see Tom Brady not with the Patriots.
So here's my thing.
So
one of two things is going to happen, because I have always said that Tom Brady is a systems quarterback. All right, you could have put any good quarterback in that New England system, and he could have won 6 Super Bowls with that team. So I'm interested in one of two things, right?
Okay.
One, him and Gronk going to Tampa Bay.
Right.
If they do really well, which I don't think they're going to do. I'm sorry, BPH. I love you, and I know you're a Bucs fan. But I'm calling 9-7 on Tampa Bay. So it's documented. I'm calling 9-7. Tampa Bay has not had a winning record since like 2009.
But they also haven't had Tom Brady as the quarterback.
I get that. I fully understand that. Tom Brady and Gronk's probably one of the greatest tight ends to ever play the game. All I'm saying is we're going to find out if it's the player or if it's the system. Because on the other side of that is the guy that's going to replace Tom Brady in New England. If he goes out there and he crushes it, right? Is Tom Brady still the greatest, or was it the system, or did they just luck out and have 2 of the greatest?
So my question is, have they gotten another quarterback?
I think it's going to be some rookie. I think I could be wrong.
I mean, good for him, because the Bengals, we got a rookie straight out of college and stuff. So Joe Burrow,
number 1 draft.
Yeah, man. Bengals, I have high hopes this year. So I say that every year. What?
I think Nick Foles is going to get the starting job in Chicago. I think Nick Foles is getting the starting job in Chicago.
See, unlike you though, I think that it was Tom Brady.
Okay. I think it was the system.
But I'm also very big into the I say the Illuminati.
Oh, here we go with the Illuminati.
I'm a very strong believer in the Illuminati, and that Bill Belichick done sold his soul for a donut to be where he is.
I'm too sober for conspiracy theory, Heather. I'm just way too sober for that right now.
If you would like to talk conspiracy theories, you can follow me on Instagram
at
H2 Owens. All right, anyway.
All right,
I halfway saw this, because there's no denying when I cut this. What did I see?
See orange?
I saw orange.
Orange.
What rhymes with orange?
Porridge. No.
Oh! Well, it doesn't matter, because it's diamond. Don't we have it? No, we don't.
No.
Oh, spoiler! They got it.
It is the Diamond Edition Stitch.
Oh, it's sparkly. Look. Oh.
I believe that to be a Hot Topic exclusive here in the
Okay.
States.
Okay, because
it's
I
got
know
special
we
edition
talked
sticker.
about it because, you know, diamond and stuff, but we stopped on the diamond for a
We
while.
did. It got out of control.
All right, well.
Heather doesn't have to take a shot.
Okay, I will sip on. I'm on yours now.
Oh, wow. You did like that.
Woo!
I did not. And I like grapefruit. I just...
5.7 alcohol in me. Plus more.
All right. I'm ready to take a shot, man.
To be fair, I did see orange.
To be fair, you were right.
That was very deceiving.
I got another sticker. But of course, this wasn't exclusive. That's just the NFL sticker. Is it a special edition sticker? I don't know. Bam!
Which one is it?
It is Minerva from the
okay.
2019 Summer Convention, the San Diego Comic-Con.
That's really cool.
From
looking.
Captain Marvel. We do not have it.
Nope.
It is not anime. Box is not damaged. I don't know anything about Minerva,
So
but
I've seen Captain America.
I can't. I only have one box
Can't.
left. I have to take a shot. I just can't. It's not allowing it.
He's so angry.
I worked all day to come home to open pops that I already own or that were anime to take shots. And I've only taken one. No.
He said,
So, and you only have one left.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
But I've drank in the beers.
You've drank in the
One
beers.
nasty ass shot.
Is it nasty? I think I took a shot
Dude,
last time, but I don't think I liked it.
Well, for Halloween too. Jade, she brought that over. It's not good.
I don't know who at New Amsterdam thinks that tastes like pink lemonade, but you are wrong.
Well, the whole thing is, you know, Jade comes. She's my best friend Jade.
Uh-huh.
She's so much into hockey because her sons and everything.
Yeah.
And it's a hockey thing.
All right. I don't
So
know.
she was like, you know,
I
blah
don't
blah.
like it.
And I'm like, all right.
I don't like it, but I'm gonna take another shot of it before we get off this
You
video.
know,
But
because we love you.
oh, Heather's gonna take another shot too. I think I'm not gonna allow her to get away with just one shot.
What shirt are you wearing?
I am wearing Bad Street collar and elbow.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yes.
I was trying to figure out. I was like, that kind of looks like a stranger.
No.
type of
So you're a little too young. We're very close to the same age, but in wrestling years, she's way younger than I am. So one of my favorite pro wrestling tag teams, who Heather is not a fan of one of the members. The Fabulous Freebirds, Terry Gordy, and
R.I.P.
and Buddy Rogers, R.I.P.
All right, yeah.
And my favorite. There is very few men on this planet that
So gross.
I believe
So gross.
that we are related in some way. We are cut from the same cloth.
Ugh.
And that would be Michael Purely Sexy Hayes. But anyway, they had Bad Street USA. Well, Collar and Elbow, who's a wonderful t-shirt company run by some really awesome people, great friends of ours.
Yes.
They are also the sponsor for our upcoming Squared Circle Expo event in Indianapolis, Indiana, which you can find at squaredcirclex.com or find us on Facebook at Squared Circle Expo. They are a sponsor, but they took the Bad Street and added their Collar and Elbow logo. And I'm a big fan.
Look, I do not like. I don't like the hairy chests. And he was just like.
Yes, Michael
so
P.S.
just
Hayes.
like creepy and stuff. I'm not a fan of creepy people.
You married me.
Yeah, but you were like already. I don't know. You're different. I can contain you.
Oh,
But
you
yeah,
couldn't
no.
contain Michael P.S. Hayes?
So I did WWE, like, I was a Rosebud.
Yeah, when Adam
Yes.
Rose was around.
Yeah, so I did, like, some extra work. And it was just like, you know, everybody was super nice and stuff. But it was just like, so he was there because he was like an agent
Yeah,
or whatever.
he's one of the top agents, yeah.
But just his persona, I'm just like, I don't want to be near dude.
Love
like,
him.
He is so creepy.
Love him!
So if you are friends with him, that's fine. But I got the vibe like, I'm okay.
Me and Michael P.S.
Okay.
Hayes are like the only two people on this planet that never stopped wearing a fanny pack. Now fanny packs are making a comeback, and now kids in wrestling are wearing them like ironically. You know what I mean? But and there are a ton of people that used to wear them that are wearing them again.
Yeah.
But didn't stop.
You know what's funny though? Because I feel though every time that I see Al Snow, whether it's old,
Al Snow's another cat that he did not
photos or new photos, like in person, he always had the fanny pack.
Absolutely, Al Snow, absolutely. Who you could check out at Squared Circle Expo in Indianapolis, August 21st and 22nd.
And didn't we just announce a new person?
We did. We just announced Brody Lee, the former Luke Harper from WWE, and Brody Lee on AEW.
Yes.
Leader of the Dark Order will be there Saturday, the 22nd of August.
Yes.
So, to include, other guys like Rey Mysterio, Kane, the Headbangers, the Highlanders. Who else? Man, I can't even think. The Nasty Boys. I love the Me and Brian Knobs, we're also cut from the same cloth, and Heather is not a fan.
No. I'm excited for the Headbangers.
Headbangers,
because when I got into wrestling, it was that Attitude Era, and I loved the Headbangers. You know?
Gotcha.
I loved Mosh more than Thrasher.
All right,
props to Thrasher. But,
I'll let them know that you like Chaz more.
Yeah, well, because he was like shorter and thicker.
Oh, is that how you married me? All right, because I'm short and a little tubby.
That helps.
All right.
All right, so this is my last one because weirdness.
Yeah.
Papa.
Oh, that's anime.
Oh, because the fact that that's there.
Yeah.
So this is Soul Eater, Death the Kid.
Death the Kid from Soul Eater.
And can you see what color it is? It's yellow. Yellow is horrible.
Is that yellow? I think that's orange.
Orange.
That's orange.
What? Yeah, that's what I mean.
Colorblind.
No, I know what color it is. I just haven't eaten much today.
I have not either. I haven't eaten anything because I worked all day.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a DoorDash kind of evening.
Yeah, but no, it has like all the Japanese-ness.
All right.
What?
I'm going to let you. I'm just cutting the box. I'm literally just cutting the box, mostly for time purposes because I think my memory card's about to run out.
What?
So. All right. Heather's going to take her shot of the pink Whitney. You guys watching anything cool? What did we watch the other day?
Fantasy Island.
We did watch. We did watch Fantasy Island.
Newest.
The new movie.
Yes.
I didn't hate it.
No.
I didn't love it. I was entertained by it.
Right.
So.
Right.
And I don't know. Have we filmed since we watched The Invisible Man? I think we did. I think we talked about that on the last one.
Yeah. I don't know.
All right.
Yeah. One of the characters though is if you watch Silicon Valley, we love Silicon Valley.
It's a great show.
Those pops are like we have them all.
We bought them all from a clearance bin for like $2.
They are not valuable, but we like them.
We love them, so that's all that counts.
But yeah, he's in there. The new internet.
The new internet. I forget what is it? I forget what.
Not a hot dog. There's an app. Google it. Not a hot dog.
And if you don't understand what that means, go watch Silicon Valley on HBO.
Yes.
All right. I have one more pop.
All right.
Heather's got one more shot. And I have another sticker.
It just sits in my mouth.
Giggity. It's got 2 stickers. Oh.
Ooh, glow in the dark.
Ooh, I bet it is. One is very round, which is probably either flocked or glow in the dark. And one, I can't tell if that's a special edition sticker. I don't know. And last pop, Chrono Toys. Wapow!
Oh.
No, it's a PX Previews. Glow in the dark. This is Iron Man. I am Iron Man with Tony Stark with the Infinity Gauntlet. This is actually a cool pop. I remember the a photo of this came out and people are like, it's a custom, it's not real, it's a custom. And then here we are. So all right, well, I got 2 Marvel pops. And you got That Stitch is cool though. That Stitch is cool.
Yeah. You know the thing is though, is like when Lilo and Stitch came out, like I really wanted to like it. Like I have no heat with it. It's just I watched it once or twice and I'm just like, it didn't grab me.
That's fair.
So
Lilo and Stitch also came out though, like around that time where Pixar was kind of taking over the Disney movies.
That may have been it.
And this was still like a normal animated Disney movie.
Right.
So it didn't get the love that I think it's getting it now though. I think it's making a comeback. So
don't call it a comeback.
God, they've been here for years. Guys, we just opened a bunch of mystery boxes from Spastic Collectibles as well as Chrono Toys. We love and both of them. They're great companies. Thank you for actually sending me Pop Spastic Collectibles because I thought you canceled my whole order and it would have totally been on me if you did. So so I appreciate it. Next time I'll read the terms and conditions. Oh, am I going to take another shot?
You said that you wanted to take a shot.
I did.
You need to take a shot for these
lovely
people.
I did. You want to take one?
I'm drinking this really disgusting beer, so I'm going to continue to drink my beer.
All right, that's fair. We got tons of pops coming in the mail. Bands for Arms, Chrono Toys, all kinds of stuff coming, guys.
Shout out to everybody that has sent us stuff.
Oh yeah.
Dude. Like
Unboxed Treasures.
So
Thank you.
Dude.
Berto the Noob, you're the best.
Yes.
Everybody sends us something. Super awesome. Yeah, I'm trying to think of what else that I want to say, and I can't think of it because now these shots are kicking in.
Yes.
Which is
so
fantastic.
if you want to check out the wrestling show, that is still going on.
August 21st, 22nd?
Exactly. And that is a Friday and Saturday, and that's in Indianapolis, Indiana. Tickets available.
SquareCircleX.com. Hotel is
rooms, kind of.
We're about out of rooms. I think we actually might be out, but they actually let us open up a few more.
And you want to stay.
The Wyndham, Indianapolis
we
West.
party all night.
Oh, yeah, no.
You want to party with us.
Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, you guys are all super awesome. Take a shot. We got so much more stuff in the pipeline that are coming through. I think... Now, don't hold me to this. But this weekend I had to work, so it can't work. Next weekend, unfortunately, we have to go to a funeral for a fallen brother in the wrestling business. But the following week after that, I'm thinking we finally do that house tour and show all of our pops and other goodies we've got hanging on the walls.
You just got to give me a day's heads up so I can clean.
All right, that's totally fair.
Okay.
So, guys, I took that extra shot just for you guys, so I hope you took one with me. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with us. You guys are super awesome, beautiful. I love each and every one of you individually. I'd pat you on the bottom if I could.
That's not what you do right now.
No, not right now. Especially in the wrestling business.
No.
It's
frowned upon.
But
high five.
High five. A little high five. I hope everything's good for you in your life. Hit us up on Instagram. Comment below. Hang out with us, man. I don't know. I got nothing else. You got anything?
I just say, you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. Be positive. We're gonna get through this. 2020. We're just gonna do a Rio, like 2021.
Mulligan. It's a mulligan.
It doesn't matter. Like it's huge Groundhog Day. So
well,
whatever.
We're halfway through, so. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please, we'll have merch links down below from not only, Pop Drunk, but Hardcore Heather, as well as Collar and Elbow. They'll be right down there at the bottom. Yeah, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. You got anything else?
No. We love you guys.
I love you guys. Thank y'all for coming out. God bless you, and good night.
Peace!
Deuces!